Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to see already saved Wi-Fi network password in your PC. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to the control panel. Go to control panel. Click on this down arrow. Now click on large icons. Here click on network and sharing center. Now click on your Wi-Fi network. Now click on wireless properties. Now click on security. Now we are able to see network security key. This is your Wi-Fi password. To show the characters, select this checkbox. This is your Wi-Fi password. That's it today video tutorial. If you find this video is useful, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.